I need to add some onions to my fried cabbage recipe. This will be the last thing I add, but first, I need to dice the onions first. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I dice onions for my fried cabbage recipe. I prefer red onions for my fried cabbage recipe, so this is what I'm using. But if you want, you can use a white onion or a yellow onion. So I am setting it down like you see here, and I want to place that bottom part up. As you see, I want to drive the knife right down the middle. So now I lay it down flat, and I just want to slice it like you see here, just in straight lines. Just slice it right there in straight lines, about 4 or 5 slices. It depends on how wide I want them, but I turn it to the side and I chop them, dice them, slice them, whatever one you want to use, whatever word you want to use, then that's what I'm doing. And I take the other half of the onion and I do the same thing. I make about anywhere between about 5 to 6 slices, or 5 to 6 cuts per se, and I turn them around and I slice it just like how you see right here. And since the onions are already layered naturally how they are, then hence the diced onions. So how many onions do I use for my fried cabbage recipe? Just one. Onions are very potent, and you don't want to just overpower them with onions. You really don't. I want to thank you for watching today's video. If you want to see more meal prep videos, just let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.